2026 Honda Super Cub 125, a bike that perfectly blends classic style with modern functionality. Honda has once again delivered a motorcycle that appeals to both new riders and longtime enthusiasts. Starting with the exterior, the Super Cub 125 immediately catches the eye with its iconic design. It keeps the retro curves and rounded front fender that have made the Super Cub famous, while adding modern touches like LED headlights and turn indicators. The bodywork is smooth and lightweight, making it easy to handle in busy city traffic. The alloy wheels enhance stability and give the bike a refined look, while chrome accents on the exhaust and handlebars add a premium feel. Available in multiple vibrant colors, this bike allows riders to express their style while riding a practical and stylish machine. The overall look is a perfect combination of nostalgia and contemporary design, ensuring it stands out wherever it goes. The interior is compact but highly functional. The digital analog instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, displaying speed, fuel level, and essential indicators at a glance. The seat is designed for comfort with a slightly raised rear portion for a passenger. Storage options are limited but adequate for everyday needs, and the handlebar controls are intuitive, making the ride smooth and enjoyable. While simple, the interior provides everything a rider needs without clutter, keeping practicality at the forefront. Performance is one of the Super Cub 125's strongest points. Powered by a 124cc single-cylinder engine, it offers smooth acceleration and responsive throttle control. The engine is fuel-efficient, making it perfect for city commutes or longer rides without frequent stops at the pump. The lightweight frame and ergonomic design allow for easy maneuvering in traffic, while the suspension effectively absorbs bumps, delivering a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Braking is reliable thanks to the front disc and rear drum combination, providing safety and control when needed. Its low maintenance requirements and long-term durability make it a smart choice for daily riders looking for a dependable and hassle-free experience. Safety features are practical and focused on rider confidence. The LED lighting ensures high visibility in all conditions, while the front disc brake provides strong stopping power. The low seat height helps maintain balance for newer riders, and the sturdy frame adds protection during minor impacts. Honda's attention to safety combined with reliable engineering makes this bike suitable for riders of all skill levels, providing reassurance on every journey. What sets the 2026 Honda Super Cub 125 apart is its unique blend of tradition and innovation. It retains the charm of the original Super Cub, yet incorporates modern enhancements like LED lighting, a digital analog display, improved fuel efficiency, and ergonomic design. The lightweight frame and comfortable seating make it ideal for urban riding, while its stylish look ensures attention wherever it goes. Low running costs and easy maintenance add to its appeal, making it an accessible and practical choice for anyone looking for a reliable commuter bike with personality. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Super Cub 125 is more than just a motorcycle, it is a complete riding experience. From its eye-catching exterior to its functional interior, efficient performance, reliable safety features, and unique combination of retro and modern touches, it delivers on all fronts. Whether you are a beginner seeking a dependable ride or a motorcycle enthusiast who appreciates classic design with modern conveniences, the Super Cub 125 is a standout choice. Honda has successfully created a bike that continues the legacy of the Super Cub while meeting the demands of today's riders, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking for style, reliability, and performance in one package.